Historically, a copy of a copyrighted work was a production fixed in a tangible medium from which the work could be readily and directly perceived. In the early 20th century case of Whitesmith Music Publishing Company versus Apollo Company, the Supreme Court considered whether, under the copyright laws in place at the time, a mechanical device that could be used to reproduce the sounds of a copyrighted song constituted an infringing copy. Adam Geibel was a composer who owned copyrights on the sheet music of two songs entitled Little Cotton Dolly and Kentucky Babe. Apollo Company manufactured and sold perforated rolls of music and specialty pianos that could play the rolls. The rolls were mechanically attached to the pianos and could be used to produce the specific music that each roll was cut to play. The music couldn't be read or readily perceived from the rolls like normal sheet music, and it required an experienced musician to play the songs correctly using the rolls and a specialty piano. Apollo sold rolls that could be used to play the melodies of Geibel's two copyrighted songs. Geibel's assignee, Whitesmith Music Publishing Company, sued Apollo, claiming that Apollo infringed the copyrights by producing and selling the rolls containing Geibel's songs. Apollo argued that because the rolls were merely mechanical attachments from which the songs could be perceived only if played by an experienced musician, the rolls didn't fix the songs in any tangible way, and thus couldn't be considered infringing copies of Whitesmith's copyrighted sheet music. The district court agreed and held in Apollo's favor. The Second Circuit affirmed, and the United States Supreme Court granted cert.